Kasitho din jang kashputerik hunaitong nakaliang Menteri Sarkar U Bah Sanbor Sulai Ubaderu Unongalam ka BJP Megalaya ula Pynrem ya ka Voice of the People Party namar ka jingpyrshah ya ka jingwan Menteri Rangba ka Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sarma ha ka lehniam beden kalam tak kentho pa kani ka jingle kani ka party kalong ka baija buram ha ka jingwan jo Uhimanta sya kani ka lehniam Jawai, ko bunong siya kot sumabha, ni kongsan, hakasendra Jawai. Hakani kasni, tadan lang sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala, U Bah Sanbor Sulai, u MLA Katan, but kiwe.
Yes, we feel so embarrassed with that the party PRA, they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Pinar community, the Bedding Club. Yesterday, I was also with him, on other Deputy Chief Minister, local MLA, we are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Himanta Biswa Sarma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Pinar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sindraj, Joai, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Pinar Bedding Club as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit. His visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestions, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so we feel so funny that the political party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of our state.